Lines and circles is your first basic video. Practice drawing nice straight horizontal lines. Avoid using small tiny lines, what we call hairy lines. Now practice it straight. Use some markings to help guide you if you need to. I've got crosses here. But the point of this is to get muscle memory built into your arm. Kind of like sports players that practice their drills. This is your drawing drill. Pencils and pen, some types of pen, are able to have different values, light to dark. The light lines are used for what we call construction. Construction is important as it's our building blocks. The dark lines are there to outline and bring out what we're actually drawing. Product designers and most other type of designers will avoid using a rubber because it actually slows you down to backtrack. So we like to use light and dark lines together. Circles are another shape you'd like to practice because we probably will use a lot of different circular shapes, and knowing how to draw an oval versus a circle, and also avoid drawing an egg. But remember to not rest your wrists. Drawing circles is easier when you actually lift your hand off the piece of paper. Here's an example of how you can quickly, once you've got circles and lines down packed, use them to draw basic shapes and forms. The more confident you become with circles and lines, the more likely you are to be able to draw quickly and freely, and also allow your ideas to flow. Now the difference between a circle and a sphere is as simple as just shading. So shading, in this case, allows us to create 3D form to our circle. So as you can see on the left, the circle, on the right is now a proper sphere. Later on, you'll also learn how to render. So right now I'm going to add a couple of lines and patterns to the cylinder, and all of a sudden, it goes from a cylinder to a lock.